Founded in 1989 in Taiwan, Huei Tyng is an OEM/ODM manufacturer with automated and comprehensive production lines, standing out in the industry. The company is dedicated to providing high-quality and practical home products. We attach great importance to environmental sustainability issues, fulfill corporate social responsibility, and actively practice ESG. Research, development, and innovation is Huei Tyng's primary advantage in maintaining a high level of competitiveness. We are committed to providing products that meet customer needs while also combining different materials to create unique designs. To this day, we have accumulated sales in over 100 countries, persistently delivering the best service experience to our customers. Huei Tyng has obtained over 300 patents and complies with multiple international quality certification requirements, environmental management standards, and corporate social responsibility certifications, continuously introducing smart manufacturing equipment and utilizing IoT technology. We integrate production processes, monitor progress in real time, and enhance production efficiency. Quality policy is one of Huei Tyng's core values, clearly defining control measures for material testing, manufacturing process monitoring, and final product inspection, and strictly adhering to them. The entire production process extensively utilizes automated equipment, including laser cutting machines, automatic tube bending machines, automatic welding machines, automatic powder coating lines, automatic chrome plating lines, and automatic packaging arms. This ensures product consistency and reliability, upholding the commitment to excellence in quality and meeting customer expectations. The existing automated smart warehouse system can store up to 3,000 pallets and has 20 container terminals, which is able to handle 500 containers in a single month. In the future, with a focus on sustainable development, we will continue to enhance the resilience of our factory, aiming to become a global leader in household products. Huei Tyng always takes integrity, quality, and innovation as our cornerstones and keeps pace with the times. Home is your most reliable place, and we are your trusted strategic partner. Huei Tyng is always here.